As the winter winds start to howl, we're here to warm you up with some cool woodworking projects that can turn that chill into a thrill. Welcome to Winter Winds of Wealth, woodworking for profit in chilly times. In this episode, we're going to explore the unique charm and opportunities that the winter season brings to woodworking. We'll delve into the challenges that the cold weather presents and discuss how to turn these into advantages. From practical tips on working with wood in low temperatures to showcasing profitable winter projects, this video is going to be a winter wonderland for all woodworking enthusiasts out there. We're going to inspire you to embrace the frosty season and transform your passion into profit. So, if you're interested in woodworking or simply fascinated by the magic of turning wood into works of art, this video is for you. So grab your gloves, put on your warmest coat, and let's dive into the world of winter woodworking. There's a certain magic to woodworking in winter. The chill in the air, the quiet of the snow, the satisfaction of creating something beautiful in the heart of the cold season. Winter brings a unique charm to woodworking. There's something about the stark contrast between the warmth of your workshop and the frosty outdoors that makes woodworking even more satisfying. It's like a secret haven, a place where creativity and craftsmanship meet, untouched by the cold. But let's not kid ourselves. Winter woodworking isn't just about the romance. It has its fair share of challenges too. The cold can be biting. Your tools might resist a bit more. And let's not even get started on the frozen fingers. But hey, if woodworking were easy, everyone would be doing it, right? But imagine this, you're in your workshop, bundled up in warm clothes, a mug of hot cocoa by your side. The world outside is a white canvas, but inside, you're creating your own masterpiece. Maybe it's a snow-covered birdhouse or a beautiful wooden sled for the kids. Or maybe it's something more intricate, like an ice-cold chess set or a winter-themed carving. The possibilities are endless. Now, winter woodworking does demand a bit of adaptability. You'll need to adjust your techniques, take care of your tools, and maybe even tweak your projects to suit the season. But that's part of the fun, isn't it? The chance to experiment, to learn, to grow. And the satisfaction when you finally hold your finished piece, knowing that you've not only braved the winter but used it to your advantage, is simply unparalleled. So, yes, winter woodworking can be a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to embrace the cold, to create something beautiful, to turn the frosty season into a time of profit and pleasure. So, while you might need to bundle up, don't let the cold keep you from creating something amazing. It's time to embrace the winter winds of wealth. It's time to discover the magic of winter woodworking. Woodworking in winter can bring its own set of challenges, but with a few smart tips, you can keep your projects on track. First, let's talk about temperature. Cold weather can make wood brittle and more prone to cracking. To combat this, consider moving your projects indoors or using a heater in your workshop. But remember, safety first. Make sure your heating source is safe and poses no fire risk. Now, on to moisture. Winter often brings increased humidity, which can warp your wood. A good way to tackle this is by storing your lumber in a climate-controlled environment before use. Also, applying a sealant can help protect your finished projects from moisture damage. Cold hands can be a real problem when you're trying to handle woodworking tools. A pair of insulated gloves can keep your hands warm and nimble, but ensure they're not too bulky that they hinder your precision. Have you ever thought about how the cold might affect your tools? Metal tools can become stiff in freezing temperatures, making them harder to use. Keep them warm by storing them inside when they're not in use. What about glue? It's a vital part of any woodworking project. But did you know that most glues don't work well in cold temperatures? You might want to switch to a cold weather adhesive during the winter months. And let's not forget about finishing. Cold weather can slow down the drying time of paints and varnishes. Be sure to factor this into your project timeline. Now, here's an assumption question for you. Have you considered how your choice of wood might change in the winter? Some woods are more resistant to the cold than others. Researching the best woods for cold weather could give your projects an extra edge. With these tips, we hope you're feeling ready to tackle your winter woodworking projects head on. Now let's talk about the potential for profit. Yes, even in the chilly season, woodworking can be a lucrative venture. When the cold winds blow and the snowflakes fall, many of us cozy up indoors. But for the enterprising woodworker, winter is a season of opportunity. Winter brings a unique appeal to certain woodworking projects, and with this appeal comes the potential for profit. First on our list of winter woodworking projects is the classic wooden sled. There's nothing quite like the thrill of gliding down a snowy hill on a sled you've crafted with your own hands. With a simple design and durable materials, a handcrafted sled can fetch a pretty penny. Plus, the satisfaction of seeing your creation bring joy to others is priceless. Next, consider crafting holiday ornaments. Beautifully crafted wooden ornaments are always in high demand during the holiday season. From intricate snowflakes to charming tree toppers, these small projects can quickly add up to substantial earnings. And the best part? They can be crafted from leftover wood scraps, making them a profitable way to utilize every bit of your material. Moving along, we have wooden birdhouses. As the trees shed their leaves, our feathered friends often struggle to find shelter. A well-crafted birdhouse not only provides sanctuary for these creatures, but also adds a charming touch to winter landscapes. And let's not forget, birdhouses make for thoughtful gifts, creating another avenue for profit. Lastly, let's talk about wooden furniture. Yes, it requires more skill and investment, but the payoff can be significant. The demand for handcrafted wooden furniture never goes out of style, even in winter. Consider crafting small pieces like side tables or stools that are easy to transport and sell. With the right marketing, these items can bring in a healthy profit. Now, you might be wondering, how do I sell these items? Well, there are numerous platforms online where you can showcase and sell your handcrafted items. From Etsy to local craft fairs, the opportunities are endless. And let's not forget the indirect benefits of these winter woodworking projects. They not only provide a source of income, but also help improve your skills, keep you active during the colder months, and bring a sense of accomplishment. The key to successful winter woodworking for profit is to be creative, resourceful, and proactive. Look around you, find inspiration in the season, and transform that inspiration into beautiful, profitable creations. With all these potential projects, you're sure to find a winter woodworking venture that's right for you. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the magic of winter woodworking and the potential it holds for profit. The frosty season brings with it a unique set of opportunities and challenges that, with a bit of creativity and perseverance, can transform into a source of income. We've delved into the enchanting world of winter woodworking, a realm where your passion meets the chilly winds to create something extraordinary. It's not just about crafting beautiful pieces, it's about embracing the winter chill, harnessing its energy, and turning it into a profitable venture. Remember, every snowflake that falls brings with it a new possibility. The cold weather may seem daunting, but with the right mindset and tools, it can become an ally in your woodworking journey. Don't let the cold hold you back. Instead, let it inspire you to create pieces that not only reflect the beauty of the season, but also carry a piece of you in them. We've shared some practical tips and tricks for woodworking in cold weather. From keeping your tools in optimal condition to choosing the right materials and maintaining a comfortable workshop environment, every detail counts in ensuring your winter woodworking is a success. We've also showcased a variety of profitable woodworking projects suitable for winter. Whether it's crafting unique holiday decor, creating cozy indoor furniture, or building sturdy outdoor structures, the potential earnings and benefits of each project are worth the effort. But this journey isn't just ours, it's yours as well. We encourage you to share your own winter woodworking experiences in the comments. Your stories, ideas, and tips are valuable additions to our woodworking community. We hope you enjoyed our journey into winter woodworking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more woodworking content. Woodworking isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle, a means of expression, a path to profit. So, embrace the winter chill, wield your tools, and let's create a sustainable and profitable future together. Until next time, stay warm and keep creating.